Welcome back to the Nissim's Accountants channel, your trusted source for UK tax, finance, and business updates. Today, we're covering an important rule change that affects thousands of professional drivers living with diabetes. From the 7th of November 2025, the DVLA has updated its regulations to allow professional bus, coach, and lorry drivers with diabetes to use modern glucose monitoring technology, including continuous glucose monitoring systems, or CGMs. Previously, Group 2 drivers had to rely solely on finger prick blood tests to monitor their glucose levels. But thanks to this change, they can now use the same advanced technology that car and motorcycle drivers have been allowed to use since 2018. CGMS devices use small sensors to track glucose levels throughout the day, providing automatic and continuous readings. This allows drivers to monitor their condition more effectively, especially during long journeys. Although CGMS is now allowed, the DVLA still requires professional drivers to follow important safety steps. Drivers must still pull over safely if they need to double-check a reading, ensuring road safety remains the priority. According to DVLA Chief Executive Tim Moss, this change aims to make life easier for drivers with diabetes while keeping the road safe. He emphasized that embracing modern technology will help thousands of drivers manage their condition with greater confidence. If you employ bus, coach, or lorry drivers, this update gives your team more flexibility and increases overall safety through constant monitoring. Ensuring drivers are aware of their responsibilities will help you remain compliant and informed. Book your free consultation today at 01217714161 or visit www.nissims.co.uk. At Nissim's Accountants, we help businesses stay compliant with the latest regulations, from payroll to employment rules and HMRC updates. If you need guidance for your transport business or for drivers on your team, we're here to help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more important UK business updates.